Hey everybody, welcome back to the Piqua-Resellers. I'm Danny. Parker is with his mother today, so he's not with us. Today I was going to take the GoPro and go to do my thrifting with you guys again, but my daughter had the epidural when she had her baby messed up her nerves, so she's been struggling. So we decided to keep our grandson for this week, and so he's been wearing me down. It's like really haven't gotten much done. Very exhausted. Today I did go to Goodwill after I went to a place called Golden Postal. So like I got bigger packages, like I sold a couple bigger packages on eBay, and I don't have a box, and I just pay like $2.95 for them to box it and ship it for me, with me already printing out the label, which works out even better for me because I get the discount on the shipping and don't have to pay like full price. So it kind of works out. So anyway, it's right beside Goodwill. Didn't have the GoPro. My mind hadn't been there. It's just been like being a parent again. Woo! The older you get, it just gets hard. But enough of that. So anyway, went into Goodwill. I found a camera for $1.99. It's one of the 35 millimeters still in the box. I haven't researched it or nothing. But I left there, went to Salvation Army, and just real quick, just to see what they had. And they had completely nothing. I mean, it was the same stuff from last week. So I'm kind of glad I didn't take the GoPro. I didn't go to the Veterans. I might go there in the morning, and you know, if I find anything good, I might pop up a quick little video on Friday. But it was weird. The sign blew because we have storms coming right now, and it's really windy and raining. And I saw this garage sale sign fly in front of the truck when I was at a stoplight. So I saw the address, so I kind of knew the area. So I thought, you know what, maybe somebody actually is having a garage sale in the rain. So I found it. They had their signs up, but the garage doors were closed. So I knocked on their door and asked, hey, are you having it, or is it canceled because of the rain? He said, basically canceled it, but if I wanted, I could go in there and look. So I did, which you're going to see here after I talk to you for a second. Everything I got. I ended up getting 20 items, and their prices anyway was $196. I said, the more I get, could you cut me a deal? So he said yeah. And two things didn't have a price tag on it, so I just put 5 and 10, just trying to get a figure roughly what I have in each item. So there's 20 items and came up to $196, and I asked him what his price would be, and he said, how about 100? So I took it. There is a microphone in it that Parker thinks that we need for YouTube, so hopefully that is what he needs and wants, because we see all these YouTubers with like $1,000, a couple $100 microphones, and we're doing this for fun right now and stuff. I'm just trying to build something up for him in the future, but I'm not going to get too far in debt over it. It's bad enough I've already bought 3 different GoPros, but at least that makes it to where Parker can do his Lego video when he wants. He'll have his camera. I have my camera for whenever I need it. And then Sarah, she's this is her last week full time. I don't know if she's going to do part time next week. They asked her to, gave her a little bit more money to do part time, and with having a grandson and stuff, we kind of talking about her just go ahead and just tell them that she will just quit, and then we can do this full time together. Which I'm really hoping, since this weekend we don't have kids, that we can get her a video out, so people that are interested in Poshmark and Macari will, can come on our lives and whatnot, and message her and get her excited. It's, to me, it's all about family, making memories, and this time in age and era and all that goodies. A lot of people are forgetting that family should come first, and so that's my feelings on that. I mean, anybody else could be different, but I love my kids, I love my family, I love my grandkids, I love my wife. We do everything and anything for each other. Tonight we have a parent-teacher conference for my stepson, so see how that goes. He's a pretty good kid though, so no biggie. But I did get a bunch of stuff. I haven't researched anything about these shoes. They're called Highland clipless shoes, and he said they're for like mountain bikers and bicyclists. And he told me that they were selling for over $100. I did look them up, couldn't really find them. I did find one pair, not the same color or nothing, but it says new for like 40 bucks, and so it's like, dang it. But there is some other stuff in there that I see that definitely see like taking the $100 that were out in this that I just put out for it. I think it should be about $300 to $350 on the low end. But so enough of that. We'll go ahead and go to the video of that, and then so you guys see what we got. I believe all the stickers and price tags and stuff still on it, so you can see that. Sorry I didn't have my GoPro. I was even telling the guy, I gave him a card with our YouTube, and was like, my son's gonna be upset that I didn't bring the GoPro. So see, something like that, you need to start maybe taking the GoPro, but you know, when you spend that kind of money, you're afraid to keep it in your truck or whatever. So, but yep, let's get to it and show you what we got. All right, let's get to it. Here's a wireless controller. I'm not really sure what it's for. Here's one for the Xbox 360, and it kind of looks like maybe they're the same. 2 Wii controllers. They have $5 a piece on it. Both these controllers had $8. Here's a easygoing recliner stretch slip cover. As you can see, $7. I actually have sold one of these before, but it was tan, and actually might have one online still. But I think I got like 25 bucks. Nothing crazy, but it'll work. Then a PHF duvet cover set, 100% linen. And then I'll flip it over, and they also had $7 on it. Like I said, I haven't researched nothing. Here's like a docking set, and they had $8, and they come with 4 of these off-brand. They're not Wii made battery chargers, but I still think that they might be worth something. Or since I buy so many games and stuff in bulk, I actually have some controllers that need them backings, so I'll probably just add those to that unless they do bring decent. This here is to hook up trailers, and you see $3. It's still new. Sorry, I think my hand's shaking for some reason. And then this is one of the 2 things that didn't have a price tag, but they look like snowboarding glasses, and they're made by Otoland. There's a piece of paper in there too, so maybe have some more info. Then these here, sundown eyewear. Let's see if I can open it up. It's got a case. It's just sunglasses for motorcycles. He had $5 on that. This vertical mouse, they have $2 on it. This I'm actually thinking about keeping if I can figure it out. Here's another couch cover. You can see they had $4 on it. And then there's a brand new seat. I got a bunch of these seats before, and I did pretty good, and I was getting like 25, 35 bucks. You can see this one had 10. This one has 8. And then this one is $12. And then I got all these Xbox 360 games, and they all have $3 on them. Condemned, Criminal Origins, NCAA 10, NBA 2K11, Backbreaker, Lord of the Rings, The Battle for Middle-earth 2, Madden 11, Madden 10, Madden 7, and NCAA 11. Sorry I went through those fast, but I don't really see these as high-end items. I just actually have a 360 that I thought this would be good to just a package deal. And then there's a sunshade sail installation guide. Well, it's not the guide, it's the cover you see here. And there's issues to the packaging, but you can totally tell it's brand new. They had 15 on this. Then another easygoing stretch slip cover, and they had $7 on it. And they're all brand new, never opened. And here's this microphone. made little microphone by Microphone. So I haven't opened it and messed with it. I'll probably just let Parker have fun with it too. And these shoes are what I was talking about are Highland. They are size 10, and you can totally tell they're brand new. I think they're bad. I think they're awesome. And I guess where these holes are, they strap in and then it fits your pedal. So, but like I said, I've never messed with it, and you can see they had 40 on it. So overall, I think I did pretty good. Like I need more stuff, like I needed my headshot, but sometimes you just see stuff and you just can't leave it behind, and I guess that's how I felt today. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That's all I got. You know, everybody please have a good weekend. Be safe out there. It's getting crazy. Good luck. Like say if I go thrift, I'll go thrift that guy tomorrow at the veterans. A lot of times when I don't buy anything, I just put $5 in the jar. I'm trying to help them out, but if I can't make no money, can't really buy it. So I'd rather just donate money when we don't get anything, and you know, do the best I can for them. So if I find a bunch of good stuff, I will take the GoPro with me for sure. And then when I go through it, if I find something, then I might throw a little extra video of that thrift. And if I happen to run into a garage sale, I'll have my GoPro with me anyway. So till next time, guys, take care. Peace.